Today I'm going to show you how I solve a Rubik's Cube even though I'm colorblind. Hey, it's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to see if I remember how to solve this Rubik's Cube. This is my favorite cube. I forgot the exact name, but it's super like buttery smooth. I am not a speed cuber because, like I said, I am legally blind and colorblind, and I'm just super slow at seeing things. But if you do want to try cubing or learn how to speed cube, I definitely recommend this for beginners. So the trick to me to be able to see which color is which is this. I customize my cube so I know that this with all the ninja stickers. If you're wondering how I made these custom ninja stickers, I do have a video on how I made them up here. I'll try to remember to put the link. If not, I'll put it in the description box down below. But yeah, aren't these cute? My own custom little ninja stickers. I put on the white side so I can tell that this is white and this is yellow, because to me they look exactly the same, especially when mixed up. So that way I can tell the difference between those two colors. And with this cube in particular, the colors are different enough for the rest of them for me to be able to tell, because the red, that is red, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, the red is a darker shade than the orange. So even if they look similar to me, I know that the orange is a lighter. And then green and blue is a little bit trickier. They look very similar, again, when they're mixed up. But because the blue is like darker, and I know that this green is lighter, that's how I tell the difference. But the white and the yellow was the main issue because they look exactly the same to me. Okay, let's just mix this guy up and then we will see how I can solve this. Like I said, I'm not fast, I'm quite slow, so maybe I might speed up some parts, but we'll see. Okay, does that look mixed up enough? That's pretty mixed, right? For the most part. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so here it is for you professional speed cubers or cubers that are really good at this. You can probably know how to solve it just by looking at me spin it. But yeah, there's our scramble. Okay, so when I solve, I always start with the white ninja on the bottom, and I'm going to just try to find the cross and match it up as correctly as possible. Basically, so that one's crooked. There we go. If you hear anything in the background, that is my son. He's always next to me because I watch him 24/7. Okay, so that worked. I got my white cross here. I already have a corner in. I'm gonna just match the colors. This is not a tutorial. I'm just kind of just talking to myself. So yeah. Okay, let's do the corners. This is orange and green. Oh, why is that? I'm just gonna do the L. Is this red? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, that's red. See, so I still have trouble seeing the colors. This is red and green, so this one goes to this one here. Oh, did I just pop it back up? Oh, okay, still needs more time in turning. Okay, so I matched that. Then I'm gonna find my next ninja, and this is orange and green. Okay, and this one's already in place. I'm assuming that's that one. Okay, so we got a whole bottom row. And then I gotta do these middles by matching the green. It's going to red. Yeah. Good, baby. Then I'm just gonna find green, going to orange. There we go. I try to like practice once a week so I don't forget how to solve these, because I had to reteach myself so many times. But yeah, it's a little brain exercise because my memory's just been so horrible after having a child. Maybe it's like lack of sleep or something. this is. Okay, so we got that. And this part always seems to mess me up. Okay. So I'm trying to get the yellow cross on the top. Instead, I got one of these. Oh, okay, we got a fish. And weights on the side. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 1. Oh, I made it back into this. What is this? So I'm trying to get the whole top white. I don't remember how to solve this one. I think I just messed up. Oh, no, I got fish in the front. So I can do this. Oh, nope. That's not supposed to be up there.
Mommy, I'm switching the cast so it's not late.
Oh, cool.
Sorry, I was trying to switch you.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
Mommy, why does so switch?
He's playing with markers next to me, drawing. What's this? Yellow on the side. Yellow on the side. So here's my fish. I'm gonna this. Is it no? Forward 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah. Okay, sorry. I had a phone call and it messed me up. Ugh. What happened? Where did my... Okay, something went wrong again. Do you see why I forget how to do these things? Okay. Let's fix this bit. Ooh. Okay. Alright. So they say 9 o'clock. I'm gonna get that line. This is the fish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And then we get the same fish, but that guy's up here. I think that's what went wrong. I'm doing something wrong. Alright. Let's just fix this first. I'm pretty sure that's not right. I bet you guys are screaming in the comments what I'm doing wrong. And I don't even know how in the heck. Okay. Put that guy in there. Like, this part is not hard. I don't know why it's being so difficult. Finally. All the yellows facing up. I'm gonna rotate. See if there's anything matching. We got that. Ooh, almost messed up again. Okay. So put the matching sound on the left. Okay. And then they all match. This one's in the back. I'm gonna go this way. Again, one more time. And bam. Okay, so I can still solve it. I don't know why I had trouble with the top, but still got it. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or if you ever tried to learn. And if you want a tutorial, like an in-depth, slow tutorial with the algorithms and stuff, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!